In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up eBay business account. If you want to sell on eBay as a business, the setup process is fairly simple. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. A business account is typically the right choice if you're selling as a company rather than as an individual, and it helps keep your selling activity aligned with your business identity. To begin, go to eBay in your web browser. You can do this from a desktop or laptop for the easiest experience, especially when entering business details. Once the eBay homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct regional version of the site if that matters for your business, since account options can sometimes vary slightly by country. From there, click Register. This will take you to the account creation area where eBay gives you different ways to sign up. If you already have a personal account, be careful here, because for this process, you want to create the correct type of account from the start rather than continuing with the wrong option. Next, select Business. This is the key step that changes the registration form from a personal account setup to a business account setup. Once you choose the business option, eBay will present the fields needed for a company or business seller profile. Now, enter the information requested on the form. This usually includes your business name, business email address, and a password, along with any other details eBay requires to create the account. As you fill this out, make sure everything is accurate and matches your official business information. That can save time later if eBay needs to verify your identity or business details. It's also a good idea to use an email address you check regularly, since important account notifications, verification steps, and seller updates may be sent there. After you've completed the form and reviewed everything for accuracy, click Create Business Account. This will submit your details and begin the account creation process. If all the information is accepted, your eBay business account will be created, and you can move on to the next parts of setting up your seller presence, such as completing your profile, adding payment details, and preparing your listings. That's all it takes to get started. The most important part is choosing the business account option and entering your information carefully so the account is set up correctly from the beginning. Once your account is ready, you'll be in a much better position to start selling professionally on eBay.